host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Let's get straight into the news for today, shall we?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So for our first hot topic in the news, Kylie Jenner dances in a gold bathing suit with her pal at the pool. What's your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Kylie Jenner, being scandalous as always. As you know, Playboy International, Black King, we are inviting you. To you, Miss Jenner. And we have movies for you. We'd love for you to be a partner for You Born Snap. Let's get into our next hot topic.
So Drea Michelle angrily owns the beach in a bikini and Gucci visor. She said, "I look angry, but trust me, I'm in pure bliss." What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Who knows, Dr. Ross? She might have been angry at the photographer for not taking the most scandalous shots. But
really, nigga?
For her, that's for you. We'd love for you to be in Playboy International. And we'd love for you to try on some of the reggae Jamaican clothing. Some of our Jamaican clothing line that's coming out. DV8. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So this hot topic, we already know that it's set up from the beginning, but Jada Pinkett Smith and Will Smith confirmed the August Alesina relationship on the red table. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian and Rich debacle?
First of all, Dr. Ross, most likely they weren't paying him enough to keep it quiet with Miss Pinkett Smith and the new mystery lover. So he probably said, "I'm going to go out and I'm going to tell everyone that Mr. Smith, you are battling for the other side and you are not straight."
Oh, that's cool.
Damn! Put your glasses back on.
But we'll give him his bit of cheddar, and at this point, just move on with your life. Let Jada be with who she wants to be with.
Boy!
Because I know Austin, he didn't say those words exactly, but we all know that he was thinking that.
That's right.
Jada Pinkett Smith and Will Smith have allegedly already been open to the public about having an open relationship and an open marriage for a very long time, so this should not be a shocker to anyone.
That already tells people that Mr. Smith is doing some stuff on the sheets. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So, Megan Fox is still keeping it scandalous and has not mentioned Brian Austin Green in the news yet. With all of his scandalness and all the women saying that he's a little boy and a womanizer, Megan Fox is being mature about this and not responding to that. She went out and instead did a house tour of her new house in 2020, her $3.35 million Toluca Lake House.
Because Megan was spotted meeting up with Brian to drop their 3 sons off to go stay with him for a bit. There's a photo online of the Calabasas Oaks home where Megan appears to be living separately from Brian because only her car, the white Tesla, is seen on the driveway.
What are your thoughts about this? First of all, Dr. Ross, she's living it up, living up the Vida Loca. Probably in Miami right now, traveling back and forth. But the reason why she's not talking to you, Mr. Green, or the reason why she's not speaking about you on TV television is because she knows you're a wuss. She knows that you're out there with those girls. You're trying to get Mrs. Fox back. But obviously, you didn't have enough cheddar. So, or you have the cheddar, but you're not splitting it. So obviously she left because she doesn't want to be there anymore. So Mr. Green, for you who thought it was a family household, it's very sweet and loving,
Try!
you messed up. But get some advice from Black King, the Black Book. We've been saying this for the past few episodes now, or for the past few installments. Mr. Green, come to Playboy International. You'll be our first clients. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So on a happier note, Lisa Rinna looks like she's still getting her swerve on and she's still deciding to party. So Lisa Rinna's daughters and her Real Housewives of Beverly Hills co-stars celebrate Lisa Rinna's 57th birthday on heartfelt tribute. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Miss Lisa Rinna, they're saying you're 57, you're still hot. That's all that matters. Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Try! And Miss Lisa Rinna, we know you're 57, so flip that around and take out the 5. You're only 7, little baby. You, Miss Rinna, from one player to another. These were all of our hot topics for today, but make sure to stay tuned for the She's Hot contest, which will be coming up this Friday night. So stay tuned for that. Our recent winners were Miss Lisa Rinna and Megan Fox. So congratulations. And our latest winner was none other than Miss Carly B. But these were all of our hot topics, and stay tuned for the Jamaican hair gel and shampoo, which we'll be releasing soon, as well as our Teespring merch, which is already dropped. We'll put it in the link in the description below. We'll catch you guys on the next episode of Rosengold.
But as always, thank you for stopping by on the Rosengold channel. We'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Like and Sebastian said, we'll see you on the next episode.
And Kylie Jenner, keep dancing me off the key.